So today is 17th of September 2020 and our regular study of Srimad Bhagavatam under the banner of ISKCON and by the mercy of Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada is going on. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet Nashtuprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavad Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtuki. So, the chapter entitled is Brahma's Prayers for Creative Energy. Canto 3, Chapter 9, text 34 today, or maybe 35 for recitation. Nana karma bitanena prajavaihi sisrat shaktah natna vasidyatya asmitaste varasayan mada anugraham. Nana karma, varieties of service, vitanena, by expansion of prajaha, population, bhavihi, innumerable, sisrikshataha, desiring to increase, na, never, atma, self, avasiddhati, will be bereaved, asmi, in the matter, they of you, Varsiyan, always increasing, Mata, my, Anugraha, causeless mercy. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai. Since you have desired to increase the population innumerably, and expand your varieties of service, you shall never be deprived in this matter, because my causeless mercy upon you will always increase for all time. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshmritamyenam Tasmai Sri Gurube Namah Sri Chaitanya Manovishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Supadantikam Bandeyaham Sri Guru Shridhapadakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajeevam Sadhuitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitamcham He Krishna Karuna Sindho Deenbandho Jagatpate Gopes Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusude Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vyasya Kripa Shundubhayeva Cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Jaya Pataka Swami Niti Namine Namaha Vacharya Padaya Nitaya Kripa Pradayane Gaura Gada Damadaya Nagara Grama Tarane. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashad Desatarane. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Nana karma bitane na praja vaihi sisrikshataha natma vasidatya asmimste varshayan madanugraha. So, Lord being very, very pleased with the tapa of Brahmaji and asking for the favor, the Lord is giving him benediction. Whenever Lord speaks, it is a benediction for the mankind. Any word coming out from the lotus lips of Krishna is but the benediction, blessings on all those who are lending their ear to receive the divine knowledge. Now, another one is today, since you have desired to increase the population innumerably, now the Lord residing in the heart of every living being, he knows what the jiva is desiring. Bhavishyanita bhutani mam tu veda na kasyana. Lord has said, he knows everything of all beings, their past, present and future. And the future is not only 2, 3, 4, 5 years, 10 years, but prolonged of millions and trillions of years. So he's saying, you have desired to increase the population, how much? Innumerably. But there are only 84 lakhs, 8.4 million species. So is there a limitation? No, in 8.4 million, in one species, they are the models, 8.4 million is model. Now, in each model, there could be again trillions and millions and millions and millions of jiva. So even if you say 8.4 raised to 8.4, so many innumerable living entities are there. And that's why the Krishna is saying, innumerably. And expand your varieties of service. And all these somehow or the other will in the service of the Lord. Some are directly, some are indirectly. And furthermore, assurance. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Masucha. Don't worry. Here is confirming. I am taking care. Nimitta matra bhavasa pisachan. You just be a nimitta matra. Everything is done by me alone. You shall never be deprived in this matter. So, he will never fall short of. He'll never feel any want of. Everything will be provided. Yogak kshemam bahameham. Whatever you lack, I provide. And whatever you have, I preserve. And this is not of the body, but on the intellectual platform. There are so many people. They say the devotee of Krishna, why are they dying? Because Krishna says, Yoga Kshema Bahamim, so why should they die? But they do not know. Na jayate mrete va kadachin nayam bhutva bhavita na bhuya ajo nityam sasato yam purano na hanne hanyamane sarira. This body exists for some time, then goes away. एक धुंध से आना है, एक धुंध में जाना है. So what is the specific of the devotees? They remember. We have heard the Katha of Bharat Maharaj and the deer and Jada Bharata. What happened? In all the species, they remembered. So similarly, the devotees will also remember, even if they become, if they couldn't possibly achieve the success, then Suchinam Srimatam Gehe. So God, that is the mercy that Lord Krishna has. So he says, the devotee will never deprived. And what is the qualification of Brahmaji? Govindam Adi Purusham Tamham Bhajami. Simply, rendering service for the pleasure of Krishna. And furthermore, this matter, how? Because my causeless mercy upon you. See? Now, Krishna has a mercy on all the beings, whether moving or not moving, whether good and bad. Without His mercy, nothing exists. Na santi yatupekshaya. So He says, by my causeless mercy. But what about others? What about the demons? What about the thieves, rogues, cheaters? They also exist. Ramayana says, Dhan, Putra और दारा पापी को भी हो. Dhana, opulence, wealth. Putra, progeny. Dara, the wife or husband. Papi ko bhi hoy. In the papis you will get it. So what is the difference then? The papis and Sukritanaha, the devotees, that they remember everything. They remember everything. And that is the beauty. Even suppose we fell for obvious reason, Baladiva niyojitaha, as Arjuna said. But this Baladiva how? Kama esha, krodha esha, rajo guna samudbhava. Because of a lusty desire. See, when I am standing in front of somebody, you can see my face, you can read my lips, you can read my eyes, but you can never read my mind. Until unless we reveal. So, the thing is, we can hide our actual face. As we were saying yesterday, that by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we all may be in a position to control over this gross body. But subtle body is very, very difficult to control. That is mana, buddhi and ahankar. And say, you will always increase in all time. Now, this knowledge is not stagnant, is increasing. Anandam badam pratipadam. Anandam buddhi pratipadam. At every step, the love for Krishna increases. And that's what he's saying. You will always increase for the time, for all the time. That's why the devotees, they want to seek the shelter of Krishna. And the purport, Srila Prabhupada, right? This is a small purport. A pure devotee of the Lord, being cognizant of the fact of the particular time, object, and circumstances, always desire to expand the number of devotees of the Lord in various ways. See, Brahma had a potency to increase the population, physical population, but we can convert the mind of those who are rotting in the sensual pleasure. So we can also increase, and by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, many of us are in a position to achieve that success. It's only because of Krishna, not because that we are so expert. Because of Krishna. Prabhupada said, such expansions of the transcendental service may appear to be material to the materialistic. But factually, they are expansion of the causeless mercy of the Lord, the devotees. Other day, there was a post, and they were requesting that the people should stop donating the money to the temples. They were talking to Padmanabha and Balaji and things. They said they have, immense money, crores and crores. Why should you give it to them? But two things they do not know. The money belongs to the God, not the man who is counting. The man who is counting, he only gets his salary. He doesn't get the money that he counts, he take it home. Definitely not. He's just counting. He's helping the Lord. Second thing, all the money, a vast portion of the money is taken by the government for the various kind of development. So simply saying that when we donate the money, it goes to the pujaris and things like that, that is not the actual fact. The people mislead people on many occasions. And they do not know. With the same money that people are donating, lot of philanthropic activities are going on, helping the needies and things like that. Again, the materialistic men will see everything in the materialistic point of view. And a devotee will always see in the devotional point of view. Prabhupada says that factually, they are the expansion of the causeless mercy of the Lord toward the devotee. That everything, if we are moved, if we entangle other than their devotion, who can rescue us? Only Krishna. We are reading the Ajamila. Somehow or other, he fall from his actual position, Brahminical position, or in transcendentalist, but the Lord rescued him. Again, was it within his power? The story goes that once when this small boy Narayana was to be born, some devotees came to his home. He saw them prasadam and begged. Though he is at the time he was in a heinous act, he begged to bless him so that he could become a rich man. And these Vaishnavas, or the visitors, they blessed him that you name your son as Narayana, and they walked off. Now he had a Brahminical culture. Somehow or other deep down in his heart, he accepted their suggestion and he named that boy Narayana. And then, we all know this story, what happened? Even unintentionally calling the name of God. And then, they are saying, but the 3 Yamdutas came and 4 Vishnuduta. Why it is not? Was 1 Vishnuduta not enough? Or to make it in balance, why not 3 by 4? Some of the Vaishnavas say 4 Vishnudutta came because Narayana had the 4 syllables. So each syllable being represented by 1 Vishnudutta and they came. But then why only 3 Yamadutta? Because they deal with goodness, passion and ignorance. That's why they came 3. So why I talk this? The perspective. A materialistic person will always feel materialistic. I tell you, maybe roughly 20-25 years back, I had a cashier. And when people come and claim the taxi money and things like that, he would come to me and reason, sir, don't pass this bill. This man may have come in a bus, he is claiming the taxi. And I used to say no. If he's saying taxi, is a taxi, finish. And every now and then he wouldn't like, he says, so you don't listen to me, After 4 or 5 years' time, he went on annual leave and he never returned. You know what? He took the loan of 6,000 dinar, 60,000 real, giving them all the false documents, for everything false. Even by the grace of God, his passport address was also false. And took away that money. See, the same person was telling me that why these people are claiming 1 dinar and half a dinar. This is wrong, they should not cheat. And what he did? He himself cheated somebody else. Why I'm saying this? Because Jaki Jasi Bhavna, Taku Taisi Siddha. Whatever you have your character, you will see the person like that. Oh, this man is like that man is like that. And you know what actually? We see our character in them. Even sometimes they may be acting, They may not be real, but Krishna shows our character. See, you are also like that. People may be watching like this. So, the materialistic, Prabhupada is saying, materialistic people will see the things through a materialistic view. Furthermore, plans for such activities may appear to be material activities, but they are different in potency. Prabhupada also was engaged in business, making temples, collecting money, printing books, selling books, doing this, traveling in a plane, traveling in a branded cars and things like that. So materially what happened? What people will think? Oh, he is one among others. Same, no use. But see what the end result. Even till today, his teachings are being referred, adopted, accepted, and practiced with. So the material activities may look like same, but actually the feelings behind is definitely. So such activities may appear to be material activities, but they are different in potency. Being engaged in the satisfaction of the transcendental sense of Supreme. After Prabhupada retired from his family life, practically he was a beggar. He did not have the money. But when he established ISKCON, when money started coming in, you know what he did? Prabhupada told these guys that I have my wife and children and family back home, you give them the stipend. And that time, 300 rupees stipend per month was given to them. Now, it was not material activities. It was to take care. If he's taking care of thousands and thousands and thousands of souls, why not his wife and children? So these are not material activities. They are all transcendental activities. It's only the vision. They say if somebody has wear the red glasses, he will see red everywhere. If somebody had green glasses, he will see green everywhere. The vision is what our characters are. Very difficult to change. But sometimes, Chipram bhavati dharmatma. Sometimes within no time one can become a devotee and Mahatma. And sometimes bahujanma kariyati sarvana kirtana. So depending upon one's practice of karmana, manasa and vacha. And if somebody is in this consciousness, he is sure to gain the favor of the Lord. So, I congratulate you all that tomorrow the Purushottama month is beginning, and I had sent you some of the itinerary that what I felt should be, but except few, nobody had confirmed. So I'm confused myself whether you want to go ahead with my proposal or you are thinking something else. So anyway, with this we can discuss after the class. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.